Welcome to Cooking Life with Des. Andito na naman po ang inyong cook na mayabang ngunit hindi mayaman. Today magluluto tayo ng chole or chickpeas. Let us fry 3 pieces of medium-sized onion. Just quick fry, and let's cut 3 pieces of tomato. Put it on the blender, then remove the onions or fry onion from the oil. Then put it also on the blender and the 3 pieces of chopped green chili. Then add a little bit of water. Then let us blend it. Once it's done, bring it back to the dish that you used to fry the onion, and then add 2 tablespoons of oil and mix it well. Then cover it for at least 10 minutes. Let it boil in a medium fire. After 10 minutes, this is how it will look like. See, if you can see, the mixture is already cooked, and the oil is separating from the mixture, so it means it's already cooked. So we are going to add 1 teaspoon of garlic, 1 teaspoon of green chili powder, 1 teaspoon of salt. It depends on you if how much salt do you want. This is for taste. And then mix them well. And cover it again for another 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, it will look like this. Now, the mixture is really ready to add the chole or chola. This one that I use, or chickpeas that I use, is from the freezer. So that's why it's a bit still icy. So I will just put it here and cover it later and let it boil, right? So cover it, and then for at least 15 minutes, then check it. But before covering it, add 1 more cup of water, or it depends on you if how much water do you want. But here I just add 1 cup of water because there is already water from the chole or chickpeas that comes from freezer. So here, after 15 minutes, it becomes like this. It started to boil. But since though the chickpeas is already cooked, we still need to let it boil. But don't cover it fully. You have to cover it half covered, so the water will not or to avoid overflowing of the water. Keep on cooking until the water get less. Alright, here I actually cook it for almost more than 1 hour, and after that add 5 pieces of green chili, or it's up to you if how much do you want. It should be whole, don't cut it. And then let it boil. Cover it for at least 10 to 15 minutes again in a low or very low fire. Then after that, check. And here, as you can see, after 15 minutes, the water got less and it's ready now. So let it again, cover it and for another 10 minutes, and then here mix it. And now you can see that the green chili is also cooked and soft. So this is all ready now. Now it's ready. Let us turn off the fire. Then let us add the final ingredients, and that is garam masala, which is mix of zeera seed or cumin with black pepper. You can use 1 teaspoon or half teaspoon of that garam masala as a garnish. And also, you can use coriander leaves if you have at home, but these things are just optionals, but it will add up also taste on the food. This is all for today, and thank you so much for watching. If you are new to my channel, please don't forget to click the subscribe, and if you like this video, click the like and share. Thank you so much. Have a great day.